Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining us in this presentation. Today, we are excited to introduce to you our project, the HJ Paradise Room Reservation System. Our goal is to create a platform that simplifies and enhances the booking experience for guests while providing tools for administrators to manage the resort efficiently. We'll be showcasing the features for both users and administrators, emphasizing how this system can streamline operations and improve the overall guest experience. Now let's dive into the details, starting with the features available to users. Before diving into the homepage, let me give you a brief overview of this purpose. The homepage is the main entry point of our system and is designed to give the user a welcoming and intuitive interface. It highlights key features, provides easy navigation, and ensures user can quickly access the tools or information they need. Now let's take a closer look at its design and functionality. As you can see, this is the homepage. So we have here the About Us button. It is a key feature on the homepage that directs users to a dedicated section or page providing detailed information about HJ Paradise Resort. By clicking About Us, you will automatically see the provided detailed information. We have also here the Contact Information button. It also it allows the users to easily access the details they need to get in touch with us. When clicked, it redirects users to a dedicated page or section displaying essential contact details such as phone numbers, office locations, and social media links. We also have here the login button, an essential feature that provides users with secure access to their accounts. When clicked, it redirects users to the login page where they can enter their credentials such as a user or email and password to access personalized features and services. But if you don't have an account, you can create an account by simply clicking register and then indicate your name, email, password, and then confirm password. After that, you have already an account. But when you have already an account, just simply click login and then indicate your email and then the password. So once the user enters their information and submits the form, the system validates the details to ensure secure access. If the credentials are correct, the user is granted access to their personalized dashboard or account, providing them with the features and services tailored to their needs.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss or explain the features available for users in our HG Resort Paradise room reservation system. The system is designed to make booking and managing reservations simple and convenient for guests. Features for users. First, we have room and reservation features. Users can browse through the available rooms and make reservations directly in the system. They can view detailed information about the rooms, including the descriptions, photos, and pricing, to help them choose the best option for their stay. And now Mr. Bumutad will discuss or demonstrate the room and reservation features.
Now, let me walk you through the room and reservation features. First, click the room and reservation button. As you can see, we have rooms from room 1 to room 8. For example, if I click the room 1, I'll be directed to the reservation form for room 1. The same applies if I select room 2. I'll be redirected to reservation page for room 2. As you can see, the reservation form is already pre-filled with the guest name and email. Now, let's try booking a room for December 20 to December 21. The system will automatically calculate the total amount. Now, Next, to complete the booking, we need to make payment using GCash. The user will scan the GCash QR code and attach a screenshot of a payment receipt. Once done, click Submit Reservation and the system will generate receipt which serve as a booking confirmation. Finally, I'll show you that once the room is booked for this date, the calendar will mark it as unavailable. Mr. Benjo, please show that December 20 to 21 is now blocked off or unavailable. As you can see, the December 20 to 21 is now blocked off, indicating that the advanced booking is enabled, preventing others from booking on the same dates. This concludes the room and reservation feature demo. Now, let's go back to the dashboard, please.
Second is messaging features. Our system also includes a messaging features where users can send inquiries or requests to the resort admin. This ensures quick and direct communication for questions about their bookings or special arrangement. And again, Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the messaging features.
Now, let's click the message features available to users. So this feature is designed to help user communicate directly with the admin for any concern or request. For example, let's say a user want to extend their stay until tomorrow. To do this, the user simply types their message in the message box. For instance, they can write, "Hello, I would like to extend my booking until tomorrow." Once the message is composed, the user clicks the send message button. So the system will then forward this message directly to the admin. This ensures that the admin receives the request in real time, allowing them to respond or take necessary action quickly. So this feature helps maintain clear and direct communication between users and admin, improving overall service and addressing user concern efficiently. Now, let's go back to the dashboard, please.
And the last is reservation status features. Users can check the status of their reservation. They can say their booking is confirmed, pending, or cancelled, giving them real-time updates for their transaction. And again, Mr. Bumutad will demonstrate the reservation status features.
Now, let's proceed to the status features for user. These features allows users to view the status of their bookings. To use it, the user simply clicks the status button on their dashboard. Upon clicking, the users display all their booking details, including the room they book, the dates of their stay, and the current status of reservation. For instance, the booking we made earlier from December 20 to December 21 now appears here. As we can see, the status of this booking is currently set to pending. This means the users need to wait for the admin to confirm or update the status of the booking. Once the admins reviews the request, the status will change to either confirm or cancelled, depending on admin's decision. These features keeps users informed about the progress of their bookings and ensure transparency throughout the process. Now let's go back to the dashboard, please.
And now Mr. Batanas will discuss the admin dashboard.
So, good day everyone. I will now discuss the feature available for admin in our SG Paradise room reservation system. And the admin dashboard is designed to streamline management tasks and provide essential tools for overseeing operation. So, as we can see, we have three features. So, first, we go to booking list features. So, these features allow admin to track guest booking and check room assignment and monitor reservation details in one centralized location. So, And and now Mr. Bamutad will demonstrate ano, the booking list feature.
Now, now let's take a look at the first feature in the admin dashboard, which is the booking list. So these features allows the admin to view all the booking made by users. Each booking includes important details such as room, booking dates, and the current status, whether it's pending, confirmed, or cancelled. For example, let's locate the booking we made earlier from December 20 to December 21 right now. So the status is still set to pending. As the admin, I can update the status. I confirm the booking by selecting confirm and clicking the update button. To verify, let's go back to the user who made this booking. Let's go back to the user who made this booking and check their status feature. As you can see, the booking status has now been updated to confirm. These features ensure that the admins has full control over managing bookings while keeping the users informed about the status of their reservation. Let's go back to the dashboard, please.
And the second is booking report feature. And now let's go booking report. So in this the booking report. In this report help administrator analyze trend and assess occupancy rates and generate data for decision making or performance review. And now Mr. Bamutad will demonstrate booking report.
Next, let's move on the booking report feature available in the admin dashboard. These features allows the admin to generate reports based on various filters such as by rooms, by status, by day, or by month. Now, let's start by generating a report by room. For example, I select room number 1. As you can see, the system has generated a report showing all the bookings made, especially for room number 1. This process is the same for other rooms. Just select the rooms you want to filter, and the corresponding report will be displayed. Next, let's generate a report by status. For instance, I'll filter bookings that are currently marked as pending. The system immediately show a list of all bookings with a pending status. Similarly, if I select confirm, it will generate a report of all confirmed bookings. Now, let's generate a report by month. I'll select the date range from December 1 to December 31, December 1 to December 31. As you can see, the system has generated a detailed report of all the bookings within this time frame. Finally, we can also generate a report by day. For example, if I select the December 20, the system will display a report of all bookings made for a specific day. This feature is extremely useful for tracking and analyzing booking data, helping the admin page manage and optimize operation efficiency. Now let's go back to the dashboard, please.
And lastly, inquiry and message feature. So let's go inquiries message. So this is the inquiries or message feature. So this allow admin to view and respond to messages or requests a question for users. So it ensure timely communication and help address guest concern or request effectively. So now Mr. Bamutad will demonstrate the inquiries or messages.
Lastly, let's explore the message inquiry features in the admin dashboard. These features allows the admin to view and reply to messages sent by users. For example, earlier, a user sent a message asking to extend their stay until tomorrow. As the admin, I'll open this query and respond with sorry, we can't extend your stay as the room is already booked for tomorrow. Sorry, can extend your stay as the room is already booked for tomorrow. After sending the reply, the user will be notified through their message feature. Now, let's check the user's account to see their response. As you can see, the user has received the message from the admin explaining that the extension is not possible because the room is already reserved for tomorrow. So these features allows effective communication between the admin and the users, ensuring that both parties are informed and any issues can be quickly addressed. That concludes our demonstration of the features in the HG Paradise room reservation system.
So, in conclusion, the HJ Paradise Room Reservation System provides a smooth experience for both user and admins. Users can easily make reservations, check booking status, and communicate with admins. Admins can manage bookings, generate reports, and respond to user inquiries. This system enhances efficiency and communication, ensuring a seamless booking process for everyone. So, we hope this presentation has helped you understand the system we created, its features, how it works, and how it can help users. We are proud of what we have accomplished and believe this system can make a difference. We're open to your feedback and questions to help us make it even better. Thank you for your time and attention, sir. We look forward to what this system can achieve.
Thank you. Cut na dyan.
Laki,
Okay na?
gayamat.